Hello YouTube, I'm making a quick video detailing how to install applications in macOS. So if you're familiar with macOS, if you've used it for a while, probably don't need to watch this. Anyway, let's get started. So there's two methods to installing applications. You can use the App Store, which is the easiest way, and you can download applications from the web. I'm going to start with downloading applications from the App Store. The App Store can be found by using Spotlight Search, which is Command plus Spacebar, and then you can just type App Store in. It can also be found from the launcher. There's one more method. You can go to Finder and then go to Applications, and it will generally be fairly close to the top. So that's how you open the App Store. Once you are in the App Store, you just navigate to the app that you want. You can search for an app. You can look through the various categories that they have for you. And then once you've navigated to an app that you want, you just click download. It might have a little get symbol. Let's go look at another app, password manager. So you would just select get. It might ask you for your password. And then you just click download, like the previous app. Alright, so that's how you use it from the App Store. Very simple. Now if you want to download an app from the internet, I will use Google Chrome as an example. First, you need to download it. And then once you download it, it'll obviously be in your Downloads folder. You just need to open the disk image file. And once you have the disk image file open, you'll have this little window. So you just grab this icon and drag it to the application folder. You will get a status bar showing how long it's going to take. Once it's done, you can close this tab. And then on the desktop, you'll notice this little drive. Since it is a disk image file, it gets mounted to the desktop. And if that other little page didn't open before, you can just click on that one to access it. Now, once your application is installed, you can eject that drive. And then in your Downloads folder, you can put it in the trash can. Now, where'd your application go? Well, again, you can access them from the launcher. You see I have Chrome right there, and Among Us right there. You can also access it from Finder. It'll be in Applications. This will show you where all of your applications are. You can see Among Us is here, and Google Chrome is right there. Now, how do you delete an application? Well, that is equally as simple. Once you go to the application folder in the Finder, you just alternate click it and move it to the trash. It is that simple. Again, sometimes you might need to enter a password. That's it. That's all that you need to do to uninstall apps in macOS. Much more simple than in Windows. I hope that this tutorial helped you. Make sure to give a like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good night.